What's going on, guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how to stream the Jake Paul Tyron Woodley #2 fight on your smart TV and your Amazon Fire TV stick. So same method applies on your smart TV as would your Amazon Fire TV stick. What you want to do is you want to navigate to the Showtime app. If you have an Amazon Fire TV stick, you can simply search with the Alexa button on the top. If you have your smart TV, just go to the app page and download or find the Showtime app, which will be in the app store of your smart TV. So Showtime's gonna have 3 different apps. You want the one that looks like this, Showtime, not those two, but the one right in the middle right here, regular Showtime. But just download it, and it's installing right now. All right. Then once it's downloaded, then go ahead and fire it up. And the app fires up, and immediately they're promoting it right here, which is really nice. What's cool about this, as well as get event info, you come over here and it has the countdown timer right there to the fight. You come down here to the fight card down here at the bottom, and this is what's really cool. You can actually find out about the information here. So you have Jake Paul 4-0, 3 knockouts. Tyron Woodley 0-1, 0 knockouts. Unfortunately, lost to Jake Paul. It's scheduled for 8 rounds. And then you also have your 10-round lightweight, and down below tells you what other fights are on the card. We have Tyron Williams and Frank Gore. Looks like they have not fought at all. The girls have some fights under their belts. The next one, these guys have some nice fights under their belts for the junior welterweight, and that looks about it. So you got 3 other fights besides the main event. And you can do bonus videos, etc. You can watch the first fight right there. And how to watch the second fight is simply hit that button right there, making sure obviously your smart TV is connected with your payment processing, your Amazon Fire TV stick, and it's $59.99. A Showtime subscription is not required to watch the fight, which is really nice. So $59.99 is going to get you access to that. Invite your friends over, barbecue, have them Venmo you a little bit to make up a little bit of that cost. Enjoy your fight, guys. Enjoy your barbecue. That's how you're able to watch it on your smart TV or Amazon Fire TV stick. Hit that thumbs up button if you wouldn't mind on your way out, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you on the next video. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos. Continue to watch. We'll see you soon.